Welcome, welcome back to another edition, the next part of the speedometer repair, odometer repair of the metric speedometer from my XKE using the donor speedometer that I got online to get the how it works and the real ability to fix it. So I felt like Steve Martin in The Jerk. The new phone books are in, the new phone books are in, but no. The new drive gear are in. The drive gears are in. I found a guy online that claimed these were 20-tooth gears. It said from a Smith's AC Cobra, but a 20-tooth gear for a speedometer should be a 20-tooth gear for a speedometer. Now, I don't know if these are originals or they kind of look like they were 3D printed, but you know, they should work. I'm going to check it out and see if they're the right size. So those are the new ones. Okay, so remember, we've got this gear over here, which is the drive gear for the trip odometer. If the camera will focus in on it, you'll see has 20 teeth. So let's just place this other one kind of on top of it and see it actually looks pretty good. I have a very good feeling about this. Okay, so that's the new gear. It's nice that there are two of them, but here's an interesting thing. If you look, this particular gear, the hole goes all the way through, and try very careful not to get any fingerprints on the front face of the dial there. This one, the donor, which has the 32-tooth gear, okay, notice how it's not drilled all the way through. The piece I'm going to take from here is this piece right here. The plan is going to be to take this and figure out exactly how to get the gear off so that I can put the gray one on. So that's the challenge. Well, a little destructive force and you realize that's how it comes apart. So, with that in mind, have to figure to put this all the way through or just partially. So taking this, right, putting it in like that, tells me that, okay, see this cam, or the edge of the shaft needs to be flush with this surface here. So for it to be flush with that surface, that means that the gear has to go on about that far. So the gear doesn't go on all the way. Now, that's an interesting contrast. Oh, wait. Never mind. Wrong speedometer. Here is the correct speedometer. So if I put this in here and run it so that it's flush, then I take the new 20-tooth gear, okay. It looks like it only goes on partially. Good. Okay. Well, there it is. The new gear installed. And it meshes properly with the system, so I think we're going to be good.